I born in Kauna village of Satna district in Madhya Pradesh. I did my schooling in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Jhagrakhand in Chhattisgarh. I did my graduation from Jabalpur Engineering College, and currently I am pursuing international relation course. International relation course.
Very nice. So what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobby is debating.
What?
Debating, sir.
Debating. Very nice. On what are the subjects you have debated last?
Sir, on Farm Bill. Recent Farm Bill passed by the Parliament.
I can't hear you clearly. Can you tell me again what debates have you done last?
Sir, I debated on the recent Farm Bill that was passed by the Parliament.
Okay. Tell us something about the recent Farm Bill.
The recent Farm Bill is like, liberalization in the agricultural sector, where the government has brought a three law. First law is that, sir, it has relaxed the provisions. It has made the provisions where a farmer can trade not only within the APMC market but also outside the market, and even the interstate trade can happen. This is the first. And second bill is about the contract farming, and third bill is that stock limit is removed under the Essential Commodities Act of certain commodities. These are the three bills, sir.
Tell me three pillars of democracy in the country.
So three pillars of democracy is legislature, executive and judiciary.
And who is the executive head?
Executive head is the president of country.
Tell me how the governance take place in the country, starting from the Prime Minister downward to the Gram Panchayat level.
Yes, sir.
Because as CRPF personnel,
Yes,
an officer has to know the entire system because he has to go to the ground realities to look after the administration at times and
Yes.
law and order.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is a mechanism for the governance that includes the political executive as well as the administrative executive. Sir, where political executive are like the ministers, and of which the Prime Minister is the head. After the decision is taken, then the decision goes to the downward, and the center's decisions are implemented by the state executive agency. And
So after the political leadership, which is bureaucratic leadership, right?
yes, sir.
उनके नाम बताओ या नाम मतलब posts, designations. Up to the Gram Panchayat. Designations only bullets,
Yes, sir.
no explanations.
Yes, sir. After the minister, there is a secretary of each ministry, under that there is a certain different department. There is a joint secretary, and under that joint secretaries, in each of the district there is a collector, district collector, which is designated by different posts in the different state, and under that district administration there is a block panchayat and there is a gram panchayat, and in the district itself there is a jila panchayat as well, sir.
So what is the between these state level bureaucracy? There is a directly the district magistrate, or in between there is some more organization.
Sir, between the state level bureaucracy and the district,
What is the between these organizations? There is one organization which is missing.
sir, there is a mechanism.
Just tell me the name of the organization.
Sir, there is a multiple organization under different ministries,
A
sir.
lot of commissionaries or promandals.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you missed it.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Tell me, why do you want to join CAPF?
Yes, sir. Sir, CAPF provides me the opportunity to contribute in the national security, as well as, sir, it provides me the platform where I can enhance my performance in the sports, sir.
In the sports.
Yes, sir.
Are you a sports person?
Yes, sir.
What do you play?
Sir, I play volleyball.
All right. So which is are you joining the CISF as first choice to play volleyball?
Sir, this is one of my interests, and I would like to play volleyball in the CISF, but my primary motive, as I said, is to contribute in the national security, sir.
So being a mechanical engineer, how are you going to contribute in the CISF?
Yes, sir. Sir, as CISF, my mandate is to protect the critical infrastructure installation of our country. And as an engineer, sir, I would know the working of the different critical infrastructure, and in case of in demanding situations, I will be in better position to respond, sir.
Tell me 3 areas where you will contribute as a mechanical engineer.
Yes, sir. Sir, in CISF? Yes, sir. Sir, in CISF, I can contribute technologically, like, sir, in case of disaster, if disaster happened, like in the recent airplane crash in the Kerala, CISF was the first responder, and like industrial disaster if it happens. So as a CISF is a first responder, so CISF is going to be aware of that operations in the installation, sir. As
Basketball you are playing, right?
sir, volleyball.
Volleyball. How many players are in volleyball?
Sir, in one team, the players are 6.
Total 6?
Yes, sir. Playing,
And others?
and other is 6, sir. They are in extra.
Who is the basketball team captain of the India?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Basketball captain of the India.
Sorry, sir. I don't know basketball. Sir.
Volleyball captain of the India.
Yes, sir. Sir, the captain of volleyball is. Sorry, sir. I'm not able to recall.
Men team, women team. What is the ranking of volleyball team of India presently?
Sir, I'm not able to recall there.
What is the distance of the court of volleyball?
Yes, sir. Sir, the distance, the length of the total court is 18 meter, and breadth is 9 meter.
Height of the net?
Height of the net is 2.4 meters, sir.
I know. In feet?
Sir, in feet it will be around.
You are a technical graduate. Tell me the conversion factor from meter to feet.
Yes, sir.
Have you been to any mountain?
Sorry, sir. I was in hill. When I was in Chhattisgarh, I did my schooling there. So it was hill, sir.
At what height?
Sir, it is around 2.5 kilometer.
2.5 kilometers. How many feet?
Sir, exactly, sir. I'm not able to recall at present. It is around. Sorry, sir. I'm not able to recall at present.
What is the temperature there?
Sir, the temperature varies. It is sir, the area comes under the moist.
Tell me the temperature there in September.
Sorry, sir, not able to.
What is the sunrise time at that place?
Sorry, sir.
Sunset time?
Sir, I don't know the
What is
exact.
GMT?
Sir, it is geological mean.
Geological.
Sir, geographical
What
mean.
is the difference between GMT and IST?
Sorry, sir.
What would be the time in London today? Now?
Sir, it is.
6 o'clock now. What would be the time at London?
Sir, it will be 12.
12.
Yes, sir.
How? 6 hours before.
Yes, sir.
So the factor from GMT to IST is 6 hours. Like all different.
Sir, I'm not able to recall the
Not
GMT.
able to recall none of these answers. Last 6 answers.
Yes, sir.
Right? Your height, where you stay, your temperature, where you stay, what is the sunrise, sunset, what is GMT, what is IST, what is the factor from meter to temperature, meter to feet,
Yes, sir.
and I am asking a BTech graduate. Okay? This is not a test of written examination. It is a test of involvement in this system.
Yes.
Where is Dio Garcia? What is the strategic importance of Indian Ocean presently? In present situations,
Yes, sir.
or any development present situation, it is
Yes.
always important to me.
Yes, sir. Sir, Indian Ocean is going to be a major determinant in the global politics, as the USA has changed its Asia Pacific stance to the Indo-Pacific and formed its command as well. China is also focusing in the Indo-Pacific region by strengthening the cooperation with all these surrounding countries. And India, of course, sir, as one of the major economy and major military, India has a major role in the Indo-Pacific. So, because of the stakes of the multiple pole, the Indo-Pacific importance has increased, sir.
Okay. Tell me 2 choke points in Indian Ocean.
Sir, one choke point is Malacca Strait, and
What is the
Other,
length of Malacca Strait and width? If it is choke point, that means it is very narrow.
yes, sir.
What is the width?
Sir, it's very narrow, but I'm not able to recall the exact
Length?
number. Sorry, sir.
Okay, second choke point.
Second choke point is, sir, at the Gulf of Oman. It's and the Strait of Hormuz, sir.
Tell me what's happening in the Gwadar port.
Yes, sir. Sir, Gwadar port is being developed by the China under the Belt and Road Initiative, and it is going to be a futuristic port of China, which the Pakistan and China is collaboratively developing, and it is going to
What is Kaladan project?
Kaladan project is being developed by India with cooperating with the Myanmar.
For what?
Sir, the purpose of the Kaladan project is to build the connectivity to the and it will strengthen the connectivity with the northeast to the eastern.
What is the pay scale of assistant commander?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to.
What is the maximum rank that you can rise in the present close policy when you join CISF?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is below DG.
Below DG.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We are below DG.
Yes, sir.
AC also below DG and ADG also below DG.
Yes, sir.
So which rank do you think?
Sir, at max the rank, sir, after the assistant commandant, deputy commandant, commandant, and
सर ने पूछा कि आप किस रैंक तक जा सकते हैं? आपने बोला कि सर डीजी के रैंक के नीचे तक।
yes, sir.
डीजी के रैंक के नीचे तो एसी भी है
Yes, sir.
और एडीजी भी है।
Yes, sir.
स्पेसिफिक सर
Sir,
ने पूछा था।
yes, sir. ADG, sir, it is around 25% of CAPF cadre is going there, sir.
अभी आपने बोला कि आपने छत्तीसगढ़ में सर जो यहाँ सबसे ऊंची जो पीक पर गए थे वो 2.5 किलोमीटर।
Yes, sir. It's around, sir, 2.5 kilometer of that plane.
वहाँ की जो सबसे हाईएस्ट पीक है
Yes, sir.
वो है गौरलता 1200 मीटर के राउंड में। If I am not wrong, इतना बड़ा सर कैसे है फिर?
छत्तीसगढ़ में 6000 फीट तक की ऊंचाई का कोई टेम्परेचर पूछा था इसके आपसे? टेम्परेचर कितनी थी जहाँ
1225 मीटर गौरलता।
आप जहाँ रहते थे टेम्परेचर कितनी थी? स्कूल में पढ़ते थे वहाँ?
Yes, sir.
तो टेम्परेचर कितना होता था वहाँ?
Sir, I can
Why
no,
you don't guess यार?
I can guess, sir, but I don't know the exact number, sir.
अच्छा,
टेम्परेचर
it
नहीं
is-
समझ रहे हो?
Yes,
अरे
sir.
विंटर होता था, समर होता था,
Yes, sir.
क्या होता था?
Sir, both.
तो क्या टेम्परेचर होगा सितंबर में? You can't recall. You have been
I
in
can.
school there.
Yes, sir.
Why don't you be straightforward?
Yes, sir.
Answer the question.
Yes, sir. Sir, if I'm allowed to guess, it is around 20 to 35 degrees Celsius, and sometimes
In September.
Sorry, sir, not in September. In the September, it is around, sir, 22 to 23
तो
degrees.
6000 फीट पे 35 डिग्री टेम्परेचर जाएगा कभी? क्या लगता है आपको?
Sir, 6,000 feet पे.
तो 2.5 किलोमीटर मीन्स
Yes, sir.
कितना मीटर?
Sir, in feet, in feet, sir, it will be. Sir, can I allow to guess?
Yeah, 2.5 meter is 2.5 kilometers is how many meters?
2.5 kilometers is 2500 meters, sir.
2500 meters.
Yes, sir.
So into 3,
Sir, into 3, it will be 7500 meter.
that is feet.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes,
तो अगर 7000 फीट पे क्या 35 डिग्री टेम्परेचर होगा कभी? इससे तो अच्छा ऊटी नहीं चले जाएंगे हम।
और उतनी ऊंची चोटी है कहाँ?
Sir, in the summer, the temperature can rise up to there, sir, and it is,
At 6000 feet.
sir,
Geographically not possible. As you are a BTech graduate, every 1000 feet temperature goes by 2 degree down. As per atmospheric conditions, it is a known fact. Every 1000 feet temperature goes down, and the world's atmospheric temperature is about 25 degrees centigrade. Surface temperature.
yes, sir. Sir,
Average surface temperature.
yes,
So it will be minus 20 degree.
yes,
At 6000 feet it will be minus 18 degrees. Okay, so you will be having maximum temperature. Bangalore में कभी 35 degree temperature नहीं होता, which is 3000 feet. Bangalore city, whole year it doesn't go to 35. That's why people go to Bangalore to stay, huh?
yes,
Pune, Why do people go these places? They are not even of that height. So general awareness, understanding of the whole geography.
Yes,
You
sir.
may be BTech, but you are not putting yourself on the ground and understanding this. So your height, what he is trying to say you, please clarify your height. 2.5 kilometers is a doubtful height. Where
वहाँ
you
पे
say?
सबसे ऊंची चोटी जो है 4,000 फीट की है। आपने कैसे बोला था ये?
Anyway, so
और आपने अभी एड्रेस दिया हुआ है डीएफ में, वो है तौप्ती हॉस्पिटल।
Yes, sir.
आप वहाँ जेबी कुछ कर रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Sir, international relation course.
इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन कोर्स। आपका स्पेसिफिक एरिया है कोई?
Uh,
कि
Sir.
आप पूरा कवर कर रहे हैं?
Sir, in the MA, it is only the international relation course. Sir, it is after in the PhD we are going to take the area, sir.
ओके। सो आप ये बताइए कि जो हमारी इंटरनेशनल पॉलिसीज होती हैं, इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस होते हैं,
Yes, sir.
वो किन किन फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करते हैं?
Sir, there are multiple factors. One is geography, other is polity, other is society, economy, culture, etc. sir. Or and of course history.
सपोज दैट इंडिया को अगर अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज के साथ अपने रिलेशन बढ़ाने हैं,
Yes, sir.
तो इंडिया किन किन फैक्टर पे वो करेगा, फोकस करेगा?
Yes, sir. Sir, the most important factor that India should do to strengthen the relation with Africa is to strengthen the economic engagement, sir. The most important thing. And then India should cooperate with the other country, like-minded countries like Japan, USA, and other European countries to strengthen the infrastructure, connectivity, etc. sir. The most important factor is this one, sir.
इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर को देख के हमें वहाँ पे रिलेशनशिप बढ़ानी चाहिए,
Yes, sir.
लेकिन पूरा अफ्रीका ही इकोनॉमिकली बैकवर्ड है।
Sir, that's why we need to strengthen the economic. We need to cooperate with the like-minded countries and strengthen the infrastructure. And then after the strengthening the infrastructure and building their skills, we can able to create the market there in Africa, and we can trade with them. Though they are economically weak, sir, but they have the rich raw minerals and the raw materials that can help India, sir.
अगर हम इंडियन ओशन की बात करते हैं,
Yes, sir.
और या कह सकते हैं कि हम जो मिडिल ईस्ट का पार्ट है और इंडियन ओशन का पार्ट है, अगर हमें इसको फोकस करना पड़े तो हमारे लिए बेटर अलाई कौन होगा, सऊदी अरब या मालदीव?
Sir, both are the important allies, sir, and India should strengthen, and India is also strengthened the relation with the both of the countries, sir.
अगर हम मालदीव को अगर प्रेफरेंस देंगे तो किन किन फैक्टर्स पे देंगे?
Sir, Maldives, strategic location of Maldives, sir, and it is very important to strengthen the India's presence in the Indo-Pacific region, sir.
और अगर सऊदी अरब को देते हैं तो फिर हमारा जो फोकस वो किन चीज़ों पे हो?
Sir, in the Saudi Arabia, sir, we have one of the most important factor is the oil. Second important factor is there, Saudi Arabia is the wealthier country that can invest in our country. And third important factor is that it is important to cooperate with the Saudi Arabia to strengthen the relation with the Muslim world, sir, which is very important to India because India wants to become a major power of the world.
Okay, Suram,
Yes, sir.
your formal during over, I will call you back soon.
Okay.
You can leave now and we will call them.